Hello, Kelly here from Root Pursuit, and today we're working on seed beads filled buttons. So put a couple in here and you can kind of see what they look like. So these are still wet and I'm just going to show you how to do it. Basically I have you should definitely start with some kind of a tray. The first time I did it, I poured my seed beads in and they went flying right off, rolled off my desk. So basically, yeah, use a little tray or something to keep it together. And I have this Art Accents iridescent glue, so it does dry clear, but then has a little sparkle. I used that on this button. So yeah, there is a little bit of a sparkle and it will dry clear. I really like these buttons. They almost seem like porcelain, but they are plastic. They have a nice divot in there, so you can kind of fill it with glue and yeah, so it works pretty good. So I'm going to try this iridescent glue again because I kind of liked it. The other glue I was using was the Art Glitter glue, but I kind of like this one. So yep, I'm just gonna kind of put that glue in here and you should be pretty generous with the glue. This is not coming out so good right now. Oh, there we go. Sprayed some glitter. It does dry clear, so that's handy. And I don't know if we should put that down in here or not. We'll see how that goes. So I think that should be pretty good, enough to keep that glue in place. I've got these colors here. I'm going to try that on this one. Just sprinkle it over it. See, I get a little crazy with the beads and they go everywhere. So just kind of, I like to press them down and then just get them in there really good, and then you can kind of flip it over and see what doesn't stick. All right. Well, that one looks pretty good. Oh, some coming out the bottom there. Yeah, I like that one. I know it's sort of hard because you feel like you're gonna miss some of the button design. That's okay. All right, so now let's try one more. This time I'm gonna use our glitter glue maybe. And we'll do the white glue. And there's really not much to this process other than fill it with glue, pour some beads over it. And then I just kind of tap it down to get everything a little more even. My colors were bunched a little bit there. Oop. There we go. There. That one looks pretty good. All right, and then we can kind of, you know, just add these to our ephemera pieces. See what they might. These will probably be work better for. Well, I mean, you could use them for a book cover or something along those lines. And I put paper because I didn't want to on the bottom because I didn't want to get glue on my cover here, but yeah, so at any rate, yeah, those are pretty cute. Like I said, I'm not sure I would put them inside a page because they're a little bit bulky. But if you've got a really bulky book, it might work anyway. But otherwise, for just any kind of paper craft embellishment, they would work just fine. So bookmarks, tags, and junk journal covers. So I hope you give it a try. They look pretty cute, and the different beads, you know, you can have different looks. So, all right. Well, as always, thanks for coming along, and I'll talk to you later.